Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video. I was going to do just an email, but I thought it'd be a bit wordy, and I know everybody's busy, but I just wanted to share this for many of you. I'm a web designer, web developer by trade, and I have my own little projects, my own site, as you all know. And I created an auto tweeter using PHP, which I just want to share with you just some marketing on Twitter that you might want to be able to incorporate. Talk to whoever you can talk to whoever you're working with as far as your web designer, web developer. There's also some out of the box do it yourself type stuff, and you can always hit me up if you need tips or a hand. So basically, what I'm waiting for is I've set up this auto tweeter here that's going to um, tweet every hour on the hour a random tweet from my database or a random tutorial or whatever I'm trying to push or market to my Twitter feed. And there's a tutorial on how to do this using PHP. There's tons of them out there. This one was the quickest one, and it uses a script that someone else already wrote as far as talking to the APIs of Twitter, and it walks you through setting up your app to set up registering your app on Twitter. This is I'm using Network Solutions, and on here I can go to tools and settings once I've logged in, and in the tools and settings, I can click on schedule task, and what I'm using is what's called a cron job, and a cron job listens to the server. And what you do then is you either run a command, go to a URL or run a PHP script, and then you just put the path of the script here, and you can be really specific about when and where and how often you tweet. So, or you run the job. So it can be hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, at a specific time. So this is already set up, and I've already got this command that's looking for this tweet.php. It's below my domain, so no one can get at it. And then I can run this tweet. Now, it's 9:01 a.m. Central Time, and so if I hit refresh, I should have a tweet that has hit my feed, a new one. And there it is. So 1 minute right there. So that's how that's working. Which makes it easy for me because I don't have to remember to go on and tweet. So I've finished this yesterday. It only took me 2 or 3 hours to get it together, and it's been going all night for the most part. So, anyways, that's kind of how it's done within your hosting service. Depending on who you go through, it's going to look different, or they're going to handle it differently. But the term is a cron job. That's what you want to do, and you can do all kinds of automated things. I've done newsletters. Well, newsletters will just automatically be sent, compiled and sent, and I don't have to put one together, and it'll just send out to my subscriber base. Here is what my database looks like. These are database of the tutorials. Now I have a column here that says seasons here because some of these tutorials are kind of based within, what time of year you would do it for. So some things like making a pair of mittens, I don't really want to put that in summer. I mean, I could, but I want to be specific. So I have that set for that particular tutorial. I have that set for winter or fall and winter. So the way my scripts are set up, it will look for what time of the month. Using PHP, it's looking for the time of what month it is, and if it's within the 3 months of the 4 seasons here, it'll go ahead and match the season. Either season is all, or it'll match the season, and then it'll tweet accordingly. So you can get real specific how you tap your database. Again, there's third-party applications out there that can do that. This is a good article here, 12 powerful Twitter marketing tips that I came across, and I just wanted to double check some of my ideas, and I'm kind of right on the money for the most part. But I'll read through this if this is something of interest to you. I think this is a good article. And let's see here. And he's got a little video here. And basically he suggests, you know, a tweet an hour, one tweet an hour when you're talking about peak time. So at any rate, I don't want to keep this too long. That's just something that I created. I thought I would share with everybody. And if you have questions, feel free to hit me up. If you need a hand, feel free to hit me up. Otherwise, talk to whoever's your web administrator about creating cron jobs to do all kinds of automated things as it relates to marketing. And it's not just for Twitter. You could do, I'm sure you could do, there's APIs for Instagram. I'm sure there's APIs for, and I know there's APIs for Facebook. As a matter of fact, at the end of this tutorial, blah, 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 there it is, how to auto post on Facebook with PHP. I'm going to put some more thought about that. I kind of like to keep my Facebook really controlled. Anyways, thanks. I hope this is of use to some of you.